Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn audio on in the Reddit app. Firstly, open the web browser on your phone. Here, search for Reddit login. Once you are here, make sure you have enabled the desktop version of this site. Now tap on the home button on your top left. From the menu that opens, click on User Settings. Then go to Feed Settings. All you need to do is enable adult content over here. Now go to the App Store. Here you need to make a search for Apollo for Reddit. Open the first app from the results. Click on the Install button. Once it gets finished, tap to open it. Doing so will enable you to turn on audio in the Reddit app. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.